Hello students. So today we are going to revise the poem A Photograph, your first poem of Hornbill, and it's written by Shirley Tolson. This poem is about a photograph of Shirley Tolson's mother who died many years ago, and now when Shirley Tolson looks or notices the photograph, she's suddenly very upset at the death of her mother. So, the introduction of the poem is the poet remembers her mother who died about 12 years ago. There is a photograph taken when her mother had gone for a sea holiday with her cousins and her uncle. So, in the photograph, the mother is very young who had gone for a sea holiday with her cousins and uncle. Looking at the photograph, she experiences the great loss of her mother. The poem basically talks about how death can silence you and leave you speechless. So, this poem actually tells how if somebody, some close or some loved one goes away, how you don't want to talk to anyone and how you become completely silent. Summary of the poem. In the introductory lines, the poet looks at the photograph of her mother, which was taken when her mother was only 12 years old. She had gone for a sea holiday with her cousins, Betty and Dolly. These are the names of Shirley Tolson's mother's cousins. And while they were paddling, her uncle took a photograph of them. So the photograph was taken by the uncle. You can see this kind of photograph. A girl in the center holding two girls who are younger to her, like this. So you can say the girl in center can be Shirley Tolson's mother, and these two girls are the cousins. One is Betty and second is Dolly. Each of the cousins was holding the hands of the poet's mother, who was the eldest among them all. So the Shirley Tolson's mother, the mother, was eldest in the three girls. All the three of them stood smiling through their hair. So they were giving a pose for the photograph. Due to the air, their hair were flying and they were smiling through it while the photo was taken. Her mother had a sweet face, and all this happened before she was born. Before the birth of Shirley Tolson, when the mother was only 12 years old, she had gone for a sea holiday. That is the photograph tells. The waves washed their feet as it stood still. Years fled past since then. The sea is still the same. Years have passed, but the waves are same. Her mother grew up into an adult. They all underwent changes while the sea stood still. Everybody goes through changes, but nature, like sea, they change very, very slowly. So in this para, actually there is a comparison between the permanence of nature and the short life of the human beings. After about 20 or 30 years, the poet's mother would look at the photograph, laughing nostalgically. Nostalgically means when you are missing something, but it is causing pain, and remembering the past. Shirley Tolson thinks that if her mother were alive, now she is no more. But if she was there, यहाँ होती अभी वो photograph देखती, तो शायद she would also have been upset. She would appreciate the dress worn by her cousins Betty and Dolly if she were there. She's not there, she's not appreciating it. But if it had happened, अगर होती तो वो appreciate करती. The sea holiday belonged to the past of her mother, and the poet still remembers how her mother would laugh looking at the snapshot. So she somewhere misses or remembers the smile of her mother. So she imagines when her mother would appreciate Betty and Dolly, how would her smile be? But now, as destined by fate, the mother has been dead for the past few years. Out of all these circumstances, there is nothing else left to say. So the mother had died, and Shirley Tolson has nothing to say at all. When you get very upset, you don't have words to speak. The matter is closed, and silence has sealed its fate. The matter's fate. This photograph, this sea holiday, this laughing of mother, everything is closed because the mother is dead. So, this was just the summary, and in the next video, you are going to know about the explanation of the whole poem.